Let's get to know your vacuum cleaner. Most vacuum cleaners have anywhere between 2 and 5 filtration systems. These systems exist to capture, trap, and protect you from all, the disgusting things in the house. The dust, the dirt, the allergens, the pet dander, the dust mites, and all the other horrible things in your home that are gross. And you think that you're picking them up and getting rid of them every time you vacuum. Now, these filters are strategically positioned to prevent the redistribution of all the gross stuff you just picked up in your house. The problem is they clog up faster than you think, and they need to be cleaned and sterilized or replaced regularly for them to work efficiently. But nobody does that. You're meant to clean and sterilize these things because they become filled with E. coli, fecal matter, all sorts of bacteria. Actually, no, this is bacteria. But all the junk in your house that you just vacuumed up, it just becomes a breeding ground if you don't clean them. So again, you're supposed to clean them, which nobody really does, and then you have to let them dry in the sun for what appears to be 24 hours. 24 hours, you gotta let these things completely dry. But let's be honest, maybe you've rinsed them once or twice before, but nobody's got time for that. You just dump the canister and think you're good to go, leaving your filters to become giant breeding grounds for all the E. coli, fecal matter, dust, debris, allergens, bacteria just sitting there. And now you have to wear a mask, like this girl. Your whole family. You think that's a good look? We don't think it's a good look. We got a better idea. Get an Airflow NS by Robot with revolutionary water-based technology. Water is the only filtration system. You fill the basin, it's enough to clean your entire house to get rid of all the germs, dirt, and debris. It gets trapped in our bath, tossed outside where all that stuff belongs. It's the only vacuum cleaner in the world to use patented nanosilver technology, which kills 99.9% of all germs, bacteria, allergens, fungus. Remember this guy? Guess what? Not in your house anymore. And it has consistent airflow. Now, airflow is a big deal. Everybody keeps talking about loss of suction. No loss of suction. No loss of suction. Suction means nothing. There are plenty of things in this world that never lose suction, but it doesn't matter when it comes to a vacuum cleaner. What matters is airflow, and there's always consistent airflow with the Airflow NS by Robot. Strong enough to clean your floors, your carpets, your couches, your sofas, your beds, your curtains, and purify the air that you're breathing in your entire home so your family can breathe fresh and clean air. That's the power of the Airflow NS by Robot, coming soon to a floor near you.